Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Moto Edge 50 Pro is compatible with Qi wireless charging and choosing a 15W capable pad. This ensures efficient power transfer. Once done, connect the charger to a quality USB-C power brick rated for the pad and place the pad on a flat surface. Make sure you remove bulky cases or check the case is under about 3 mm so the coil aligns. Begin by placing the phone centered on the pad to find the sweet spot and wake the display. With the phone centered, watch for the charging LED or the on-screen battery icon to confirm a connection. This feedback tells you the coils are aligned. If you don't see it, lift and reposition the phone slightly while holding it steady. Small shifts matter. Also, remove nearby metal, cards, or magnets because they block energy flow and can trigger safety cutoffs. If the phone or pad feels warm, move to a cooler area. Heat reduces speed and can stop charging entirely. Once charging starts, leave the phone centered and avoid moving it frequently. Consistent alignment maximizes transfer and reduces heat. Make sure you enable any optimized or adaptive charging feature in settings to protect long-term battery health, as this paces top-up cycles. If charging fails, systematically isolate the fault. Try a known good USB-C power brick and cable, test a different Qi pad, then reboot the phone. That step-by-step swap helps you find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.